In this video, we will show you how to edit WordPress dashboard menu, and also you can hide them. To do that, usually the popular plugin that we can use is Admin Menu Editor. We can just click the plugin and add the plugin and type Admin Menu. Okay. After that, let's see, there is Admin Menu Editor. Just click install now. After you install this plugin, you can activate them. After you activate them, you can choose settings, or you can find this menu on the settings and menu editor. Just click this. On the admin menu editor, there is 4 tab: admin menu, redirect. You can using the redirects to redirect the user or role. Okay, for example, another role like editor, author, maybe you need to redirect into another URL. Also, you can edit the plugins. Okay, the plugins by default will not show except on the administrator. You can just edit this. Okay, but usually just let it by default. If you don't want the others rule except administrator cannot edit this plugin. Okay, and the settings, this is the customization related to this plugin. For example, who can access this plugin usually is just administrator. Okay, anyone with the manage option capability is also like administrator here. Okay, to hide the menu, you can go to admin menu tab, and in here, for example, we need to hide some menu from editor. Let's show you. We have the two user, administrator and the editor. You can see this is the editor role. Okay, we need to hide the menu. For example, let's log out and log in as editor. For example, I'm logged in as editor here. You can see our menu have the cadence theme. Maybe this is sensitive. Okay, you can hide them later on the administrator page, and also product page, and also services post. Let's show you to hide these three menu. Okay, services, product, and cadence theme. Okay, let's log in again as administrator. After that, I will log in as administrator. After that, back into the settings and select menu editor here. Okay, in here, we need to hide the cadence. Okay, just click this and you can click this, hide. Okay, after that, we need to also to hide the services post and click this. And also we need to hide the products and click this. Make sure the submenu is also selected like this. Okay, then we can click save change. After that, we can log out as administrator, and we can try to log in again as editor. After we log in again, you can see now the cadence theme and then the product and services post not appear. So the editor just can see the post, media, comments, profile, tools, and etc. Maybe you want to also to hide the tools, pages, and comments. Maybe you can also hide them. Okay, and how to create another menu? Let's log in again. To create another menu or custom menu, it's also capable with this plugin. For example, let's create custom menu. Okay, just click settings and click menu editor. Okay, here, for example, to create a custom menu, you can add this. Okay, for example, custom menu one. Okay, for example, editor like this. For example, you can target a page to custom URL. Okay, or you can redirect into available page. Okay, let's just using custom URL maybe. Okay, you can just adding the URL that you want. This is just for example, and click save change. After that, let's see on our editor. You can see there is editor's note in here. But because we not set the correct URL, this will be filed like this or not found. Okay, you can redirect using page with shortcode or another. And how to custom this menu icon? Okay, it's very easy. Let's back into our admin. Just back to administrator here. To custom your icon, you can just go to the settings again, select menu editor, and you can click this menu editors. Okay, editors node, just click this and you can click show advanced options and select the icon you want. Okay, for example here, and click save. Now your editor icons will be changed. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to edit WordPress dashboard menu, and also we can hide the menu like we want. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.